Alright guys, stick around if you want to learn how to make the freshest and easiest tahini. Goes good in so many things. Hummus, cookies, you name it. Super diverse. Let's go ahead and get it. Alright, so get 1 bag of sesame seeds of your choice. Turn your burner to about medium-low heat, and we're going to measure out about 1 cup of sesame seeds, guys. And these sesame seeds don't go straight into the food processor. We're actually going to toast them for about 3 to 5 minutes first in a pan set to medium-low heat. So let's go ahead and do that. We are getting up to temp, and we're actually at temp now. How you doing? Next, throw in your sesame seeds, guys. It's going to take 3 to 5 minutes roughly, and or till it gets very flagrant. We want to make sure once we're in the pan, we want to be very regular on it. We want to be consistently moving the sesame seeds around because they can burn very quickly. How you doing? So move them around, get nice and toasty. You got to be careful, like I said, because they can burn quickly. Once we hit our about 5-minute mark roughly, let's go ahead and transfer those seeds to a place they can cool down, a bowl, whatever. That being said, now, once we've cooled down after a couple minutes, let's throw it into our food processor and make sure we're on a puree setting, guys. That is the best setting. It's the only setting. So next, we're gonna blend for about a minute, and it's gonna turn into this nice crumbly type of paste. And as you can see, it's transforming, it's a transformer. And it's changing slowly from the seedy to a more peanut buttery like paste. But we're still missing the oil, so wait for that part. But scrape off the sides, and let's go ahead and add our oil. We're gonna add about 2 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You can use most neutral oils, but extra virgin olive oil is the premium version that we should be using in order to take care of our bodies. Next, we're gonna blend, and let's scrape again off the sides. We wanna make sure that no seed gets left untouched. And I'm gonna add a little more. I'm just adjusting. I almost like the texture, but we want it a little more pasty. So adding a little bit more, blending, boom, bada beep, boop, bop. How you doing? Next, this is optional. Add 1 to 2 pinches of salt. Salt is a great way to have the flavor come out more. And plate and enjoy. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next video. Also guys, we want to give away a bunch of recipes for absolutely free. We have a link in our bio. Go ahead and follow that link, and we'll send our recipes in an easy to download, easy to follow, and easy to use format straight to your inbox. We hope you enjoy them. Thanks so much.